Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and probate attorney in New York. So a rather typical circumstance that occurs in elder law is that I will sometimes speak to a person of an elderly age, and they will advise me that they have a niece, a nephew, an adult child that's their power of attorney, and they want me to explain things to that person. Also, a circumstance that happens is that this same type of scenario plays out, but when I get the call from the senior person, they want to revoke the power of attorney. So I've had both circumstances. Today, to share with you, I spoke with a prospective client, and we went through a scenario on the phone. And then she advised that her niece was her power of attorney, and she'd like me to speak with her. So in fact, I did. I said, sure, let me have your niece's email or have her contact me. And she called me back, and I had, a few additional comments, thoughts, ideas. I had the authorization to speak to the niece, and I did. So I kind of recapped the circumstance, and the way this event concluded was that some of the information I needed from this person's aunt, and it was in fact actually the holder of the power of attorney, is that I sent an email with some questions that, the way I put it, some clarifying questions, so I know how to proceed. So if you have a person that's your power of attorney, I have no issues speaking with that person. And even if your relative is not a power of attorney, it's not your agent, I have no issues speaking with an adult child or a niece or nephew if you want some family assurance.